Okay, this is the first ever Grace's Teen Tours. We're gonna be touring the Ashton Woods Overton model in Nexton neighborhood here in Summerville, South Carolina. So what do you think? Excited?
Yeah.
So the whole point is just to get a teenager's reaction because this is a really good family home. So we're gonna walk through with her first time through and see what she thinks. So check it out. And we're at Nexton, taking a look at Ashton Woods Overton model with Grace. All right, let's go. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, 2,700 plus square feet. What do you think about the porch?
I like it. It's comfy. You can sit where you want, and you can just look out at the view. You've got some birds, some insects. You got lots of plants to look at. All right. Got extra security. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like the floor. It's nice. I like the different textures. And then I also like this color. It's a nice color.
Yeah.
And if you have a big family, this is a good table. Have 6 seats.
Yeah. So you like this dining room?
Yes.
You like it up front like this?
Mm-hmm. And then you have lots of windows to look out.
It's called a butler's pantry.
Ooh, I like this door.
Yeah.
It's a nice color, and I like the way it was. This is amazing.
Yeah. You like those Cheerios, don't you?
I love Cheerios. They also have popcorn, pretzels, chips, chicken noodle soup.
You do your stretching in here?
I probably could.
What do you think? Is there enough cabinetry to fit everything you need plus the pantry?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of space. And you've got this handy dandy stove.
That's pretty nice, isn't it? So for pasta, don't turn that, don't turn it. What do you think? Do you like the big sink?
I do.
How about this island? It's a little tiny, huh?
No, I don't think so.
We've seen the kitchen, we've seen the butler's pantry. This is a nice open great room, but let's take a little detour because we kind of missed something up front.
Storage!
Storage! This, we walked past this, so that's your foyer. You've got a whole guest bedroom up here with its own bathroom.
And bath.
Yeah, and it looks like it's just a half bath. However, so it's a good guest bedroom for your visitors.
Very tall. This is nice. I like it. The color of the wall is nice.
How about that closet?
Ooh. Lots of room. And it echoes. Echo! I like the lights.
This gas fireplace over there.
It's a nice place to just come and hang, maybe have a game night.
And then these sliding doors are actually upgrades, but they'll open up. I think 2 of them will completely open up. So you can kind of come in and out. Yeah, see, it's gonna push further open.
It's so pretty out here.
Yeah.
And you have
All right, we're gonna come back outside,
a door.
especially because this is gonna be really cool to check out. There's a whole apartment above the garage.
I thought that was a whole nother house.
Let me give them another little view back.
You have
Towards the
another
kitchen.
window. Ooh, I like this color. It's big. You can sit over here with your friends. You can look out. Oh, this is a nice view. You have a nice view. You can watch a movie, have a movie night here. You can work on your computer. Same door. I like the consistency with that. Oh, this is nice. You have another view. Ooh. You have nice blinds.
So that's what you call a reach-in closet
Has
versus the walk-in.
a lot of room in it.
Yeah.
Definitely good for hide and seek. A laundry room. Same door.
Yep,
Like
yep.
it.
Stylish. So
It might be a little bit small,
yeah.
just depending on how big your family is, but if you have a small family, I think this is the perfect size.
You got some extra shelving out there and all.
Ooh, I like this one. It looks very bright. If you could open these windows, you can always say hi to your friend over next door. A walk-in closet.
This is a walk-in closet, yes.
Yeah, I like this room. I like how there's carpeting in the bedrooms so far.
Tall ceilings too.
Storage.
Ah, yeah. Linen closet. When you see all those shelves, that's for your linen, so sheets, towels, etc. You call it a linen closet.
I like this countertop.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
So this is called quartz.
Two sinks.
Yes.
Double washing. Oh my word! They even have the fancy little bath.
Looks like a spa.
It's pretty tall.
So this is the hall bath, and it services both of these bedrooms here.
Holy cow! They have such a big mirror! And a big bed, too. And you have your very own couch that you can just...
Yeah. Lots of space. You like that design?
I do. And then you have a very nice look at your neighbor's house. Holy guacamole. Lots of patterns in here, lots of different styles. It looks very nice though, it works well together. You have a bath, you have a shower, you have sinks.
Everything you need for a bathroom.
Oh, you have a restroom.
Yeah, when it's closed off like that, you call it a water closet.
Closet. It's really big. It's good for my height, and it echoes.
So floor to ceiling tile.
I like it.
Pretty cool.
Let's go.
Mudroom, whatever you would call it.
I like it. I like it. I like it. You have room for all your shoes. Have room to hang your book bag after school. Your hat if you go to the beach.
And your
scarf.
Scarf? Yeah.
Storage!
Amazing! Brace yourself. So what do you think about the yard size?
It's pretty big.
You think so? Ooh, check this out, check this out. You see that down there? Do you know what that is? Or we gotta go look, come on. Any idea what that is? It is a tankless gas hot water heater.
Very cool.
Do you know what that means? That means the hot water never runs out.
It's a very nice thing, but we'll be okay.
So you're saying if you fence this off, you'd have enough room for the dog to run around?
Yeah, I think you'd have enough room. I mean, if you have other activities like dance or gymnastics and you want to practice in the yard, it might be a little bit hard, but you could make it work.
So that would be the 2-car garage in there.
Oh, this is cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah, you have another place for your shoes. Scarf, bag, hat, bag.
It's a little kitchenette. I mean, it's pretty much a full kitchen.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Continuing on.
It's a little living space.
You can sit
shared
here.
by.
You can play games. I have a friend who has a little apartment like this. And you can play board games over here, hang out with your friends. You have a sitting area that you can do your homework at. Ooh, you have another one.
Yep.
Closet and oh my god. This is really long.
Yeah, it's not too shabby, is it?
Well, it's great. It's fabulous. And laundry room for all of your laundry needs.
Well, that's it. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I like it. I'd buy it. I just don't have enough money yet.
Any guess how much it cost? Including the apartment?
I don't
We've
know.
never priced homes, so you have no clue.
Yeah, I don't know.
But if I told you it was $908,000, does that sound like a lot?
You're basically getting 2 homes.
Good point.
So, no. Because, I mean, you basically get 2 homes.
Right.
You have lots of bedrooms. You have 2 fridges, 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens.
2 laundry rooms.
Hooray! Lots of closet space.
Yes. So overall, 2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, Grace.
Bye!